it, bro. Shred it. What's up, guys and gals? That's right. You saw correctly on the thumbnail. I've actually found a 2018 Charger Scat Pack, and I'm getting a pretty good deal on it. It's from a local guy, and it's very low miles. And it's got the Dynamics package, which comes with Hellcat wheels and tires and the bigger front brakes. And it has the driver confidence group. It's got the blind spot monitors and all on it. And it also has the leather interior and a sunroof, which I wasn't really looking for a sunroof. I don't really like them, but for the deal I'm getting, I'll take it. So I'll come out with another video once I get the car, talking about it, talking about what I paid for it and all that good stuff. I've got the little one back here, just picked her up. But next Friday, I'm supposed to be signing for the car, and I'll be back in the game with another Mopar. Now, for all the guys on the channel that's got a Mustang, don't stop watching now. There's gonna be plenty of videos that happen. I've got a lot of friends with Mustangs. I'm in an S550 group, and I'm constantly doing stuff to their cars, and mod season is upon us, and they're buying parts and stuff. So there'll be videos on Mustang still. There's gonna be videos on other Mopar vehicles. There might be some videos on some Volkswagens and stuff too that I have friends that have, that, you know, if I do a modification to the car and film it, it's gonna be on the channel. So with that being said, stick around, guys, see what else we have to offer. If it's putting exhaust on a vehicle, just because it ain't the exact same vehicle that you have, I was a service technician for over 7 years. So maybe my way of doing things will help you out, even if it's not the same vehicle. So stay tuned, stay watching. I've already got things on the way for the Scat Pack, Diode Dynamics interior lights. Things will be lit up like a Christmas tree. And I'm gonna make a video on that simply because I got pretty much the brightest interior lights you can get. And again, my install videos are a little different than what most people would do. I've also got the tail light tints coming, not from Lux Auto. I got them from Anchor Room Tint. I don't like Lux Auto Tint. I like Anchor Room. So there'll be a video on that and my thoughts on that. So there's lots of stuff to come on the channel, guys. All right, as you may or may not know, I have lost monetization because I don't have 1,000 subscribers. My view count's way up there, plenty high enough, but it doesn't matter. I'm still gonna be making videos. I never really made it to make a living anyway. I think out of the over a year and a half I've been doing YouTube videos, I might have made $170 so far. And that's not very much, considering how much time and effort it goes into making a video and editing it and getting it on the channel. So, with that being said, I'd like to be remonetized one day. It really helps pay for modifications that I do to the car. And I would like it, the only hope I would have is for it to be able to support itself. So, but anyhow, just a little update of what's going on. Next Friday, should have the car and more videos to come. I thank everybody for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead. There's lots of things in store. Check out some of my other videos on the channel, see if you like them.